Hi everyone, how's everyone going? Today on this video, I wanted to make about you have already chosen your niche, and now it will be all about giving your video ideas to your team, and that way they can go ahead and create the video for you. And also, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually get views, especially when you're starting your channel from the very scratch, right? So, and just before I start, there's a post that I actually did on my Facebook page, and this is about I've got a already monetized channel. So if anyone out there is looking for already monetized channel, and you are already maybe 2 or 3 months ahead, your videos getting created, but you still hasn't been monetized. If that's the case, reach out to me. I'll leave a link in the description so you can reach out and get a already monetized channel. This monetized channel is pretty much you can do any niche in it. We only have 2 or 3 videos on the channel just to get the channels monetized. And once you take the channel, you can pretty much do any niche, and that way all the ownership of the channel will be transferred to you, and you can get access to the channel. So if you want to know more about that, I'll leave a link in the description for my Facebook profile. Right. So going back to selecting your niche, which is already you have already chosen it, you can go and watch all these trainings here, right? And this is the day 3. So day 3 will be you've already created your niche and your channels, and now it's all about posting your videos on YouTube and getting views, right? So especially in the beginning, this is the trick that I use, and once you use this trick, you're going to get views, right? Especially in the beginning stages. So the website that I normally use, especially in the beginning stage, is this website here. And this website is called Microworkers, right? So you pay the workers a little bit of money, and that way they can come to your channel and start watching your videos. So I'll walk you through how you can actually do this step by step, right? So the very first thing that you want to do is go to My Campaign. After you have gone to My Campaign, you want to tick this box because it takes 12 to 24 hours for your campaign to approve. So if you uploading a video tomorrow, you want to do this a day before. So that way the campaign will be all ready, and the system will actually pause it. So when you're ready to publish a video on YouTube, that's when you come to this website. You just have to tick one box, and that way your workers will start going to your channel and start watching a video, right? So that's the very first thing that you want to do is go here and tick this box. And then after that, you're going to go and deposit some funds, right? So what I do normally in the beginning stage, I put like probably $20 or $30 every week for my channels to get momentum, right? And that's enough. Like each video you're looking at maybe about $3, $4, $5 max, and that will actually give you a best chance compared to your competition, right? So you can outrank them through YouTube search, and once you have enough traffic coming through YouTube search, that's when YouTube will actually push your video to suggested features and also browse features, right? So what you can do is after you have deposited the funds, you're going to go to create TTV campaign, right? And in here, you actually create your campaign, right? You can go to start a basic campaign. And then what I normally do is I select countries. So the country that you can choose is, I normally choose Asia and Africa, but it doesn't matter if the workers actually coming from that country, because we only sending a certain amount of people, right? So what you can do is like go to video sharing platforms, any 3, and here you just choose your campaign. So I'll just choose this one, the top one here, right? And this is asking how long is your video. So the video length will be based on, so for example, this video is like 12 minutes 15. So for that one, you can actually put 13 minutes, right? The length of the video. Minimum workers you can actually send is 30, and per worker you're paying like 10 cents, right? And that's the minimum you can send. And then you can increase the rate, but I not just normally leave as default. And the speed, this is telling you how fast will the actual campaign start and how fast will the workers go and watch your video. So 1,000 is the most I think you can do, right? So I just leave as default as it is. In here you just say search plus watch plus like plus comment, right? So that's what I normally do. And I've already set up the campaign, right? Now I'm just going to go down and then click on employer right only, create campaign. Now, okay, so I haven't got enough balance on here, right? So that's the reason it says add more funds, but that's how you actually do it, right? Another thing I actually forgot to mention is that when you first are actually getting started, you're going to go to my template, right? This is something I actually forgot. Give me a second. So you're going to go to my template, let me copy this, and you're just going to put this exact thing on your title. So you're going to go to my template, and you're going to go right at the bottom. For you, nothing will be here because I've already created this one. I'm going to put myself up here. So you can go right at the bottom, and it says, so you're going to just click on clone. Once you click on clone, it will actually look like this. So what you need to do is just delete this one, and then you're going to put this one here, right? And then based on whatever your channel is about, you're going to just put that, right? So whatever your channel is about, you're going to put your channel name. Okay, so in here you're going to just put your title. So please search on YouTube, this title, this keyword. So the actual workers will go to your keyword, right? Go to YouTube search and search for this. So for example, if your keyword is search your life, change your life, right? As an example, right? So for example, this is your title as an example. Click on video with the title. So you're going to put this same thing here as well, change your life, right? So channel name, you can just put channel name here. I'm going to put my name here, and then you're going to put the same thing here. Right? So you can just easily put that thing here, your channel name, and also make sure it's all the same thing I have put here. It's all going to be same, right? So after that, you're going to just save it, and this campaign will be ready for you, right? So once this is ready, you're going to just go to create TTV campaign, and then you can just go ahead and do that. So every time you upload a video, you're just going to go to my template again just to change the title. So for example, this is the one I created. Just going to click on edit. You're just going to click on edit. So you can just go here and then change your title. right? That's the only thing that you're going to change every time. And once that's done, you're just going to update and preview. And then after that, you're going to go to create TTB campaign, right? That's when you can go ahead and do the TTB campaign. So after you have done that, for example, your video is already getting uploaded, and you're just going to go to my TTB campaign, right? And this will, for example, this is white here, right? Because this is already finished. But your one will be orange, right? And remember, we ticked on the campaign, and your one will be actually paused. So what you need to do when this is paused, you're just going to tick in here, and there's going to be a button here just to start the campaign. You're just going to click on that button, and it will actually turn from gray to green. That means it's running, and that's when you can go ahead and then upload the video at the same time on YouTube. And you want to do this at the same time as well, so that way you can get boost at the same time. And the way you to actually check how much the workers have watched the video, you can just click on here, and you're going to go to view 2, and it will have all the campaign here at the bottom, right? So you can go and check how much they watched. If they haven't watched all the way, you can just tell them to watch that video again. And in here you can also see the time. It's not showing here because it's already finished, but that's how I actually check, right? And then you can go and approve however many minutes they have watched, and pretty much you can approve or disapprove, but you will only pay them once they have done completed the task, right? But this only goes for if your channel is brand new, and also if you are looking to get a boost in the beginning stage. But for example, if your topics are actually trending and it's viral, you don't need to do this, right? Because viral topic is always getting views. Like, I've started a new channel, it's getting a lot of momentum, but especially in the beginning stage, um, if you, for example, in a saturated niche, you can utilize this platform just to get a lot of views, right? So hope it helps. Let me know if you are someone who's actually looking for already monetized channel. So I've only got 2 channels left, so it'd be good if you can let me know, because people are just commenting, right? Let me know. The sooner you let me know, the better. That way you don't miss out, and that way you can get access to this already monetized channel. Okay, so also, if you're also looking at other alternative how you can actually earn from using YouTube, I've also got a playlist here, 10 $25 into six-figure business. So you can just watch this step by step. All the instruction will be there, how you can actually start a $25 business and turn that into a recurring six-figure business model, right? So again, thank you so much, guys. And any questions, just leave in the comment down below or reach out to me via Facebook. And again, thank you, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.